What's up, guys? So I decided to do a mini Sephora haul because first of all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys a few updates, and if you guys are like, I don't care about the updates, I just want to watch this Sephora haul, here's the time where that starts, right here. I'm trying not to I need to pat my nose. It is almost 2 a.m. just got off work and I'm enjoying a nice little glass of wine, about to do a Sephora haul. So I apparently suck at Vlogmas. I was doing really good for a couple days and then I was like, oh my gosh, I can't do anything. I just have to vlog because I have a full-time job too, so it's really hard for me to do both. I try to get my daily workouts and everything, so it just everything started falling apart. But I am gonna start vlogging more because that was fun. I might do a couple before Christmas ends, and I know Vlogmas is pretty much over, but don't worry, I'm still gonna be doing some giveaways. I did the one on the mask and I'm gonna be doing more. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys what I got at Sephora whenever they sent out the $25 off coupon if you spend $75, I think it was. So of course I couldn't just get one or two things, I had to get more than that. I'm just gonna jump right in. If you guys like hauls, if you guys like me, my video, my channels, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts down below please. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I purchased. It's really just a couple things I just thought I'd show you guys on a video since I haven't posted in a few days. So the first thing that I got that I'm really excited about is going to be this BIOSSANCE the Clean Slate 4 clinically effective skin essential carry-alongs. So I guess this is a travel size set. So I tried one of these samples for the, I think it was the face cream. Yeah, I think the Omega Repair. And this had a good value on it. So I guess the value is 58. I decided to get the one with the Omega cream because I really liked that. It comes with 4 things. It comes with the BIOSSANCE squalane, I don't know if that's how you say it, Omega Repair Cream. It nourishes and restores skin moisture barrier. It's all plant derived, I guess, but I really liked this moisturizer. I think it has probiotics in it too. I might have picked up a different one, I don't know. They had a lot of good skincare stuff. It just smells clean. The little Omega Repair Cream is in here. I really liked it a lot. It was very moisturizing, very hydrating. I already saw another thing that I want on Sephora right now. Speaking of hydrating, it's the, what is it? The Origins, it's a sheer tint. Then I got a retinol serum, reduces visible lines and wrinkles, retinol alternative. So I guess it's not technically retinol, but it's a type of retinol. I've never used retinol before. I've had a lot of people that I see that use it or similar things to it, but it's a little pump. They have this rose oil, which sounds really awesome. Please ignore my nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow. Yeah, just a slight hint of the rose. And then lastly, in this little travel set, it's the Squalane Peptide Gel Yolks. Oh, this is an eye cream, basically, an eye gel, which I've been trying to find a good eye gel. So yeah, it's just a little selection of skincare. I was on there for a long time kind of looking at all their stuff, and I felt like it was really good to get a little value set and try out everything together. And while I was looking online, I also saw a moisturizer that I thought was so nice looking. I kept looking at it and I was like, oh, I want this. It looks so nice, and it just, oh, I just love the packaging, and it had amazing reviews. So it's the GLAMGLOW Good in Bed. It looks so luxurious. It says passion fruit softening night cream, soften smooth deep hydration, cationic technology. Wake up to soft skin every morning. I am going to put that to use. Good in Bed is a creamy passion fruit night treatment, powerfully gentle skin exfoliating acids, plumping hyaluronic acid. This just sounds like miracles and dreams in here. So yeah, we're gonna put this to work and see what's up with that. I really wonder if this actually works though. You know, we'll see. I'm just really into skincare right now, taking care of my skin and making sure it's really healthy. And I want it to just be glowing and plump all the time. I just want to be glowing and plump. Next thing that I got, which is really exciting, I think it's brand new, just launched from Fenty Beauty. I believe it's brand new. Berry Bomb Shimmer Powder. I don't know why I got this. This was kind of random, but it's rosé on ice. I just saw it online. I was like, ooh, that's so pretty. I don't know if this is just exclusively like for body pretty much, or if you can kind of put it everywhere. Oh, it's so pretty. And it even has like the details. It has F and B in the little sifter. Like the details that went into that is just insane. Okay, I've got a swatch. Ooh, yes. Pretty. I don't know if I'd use this as a highlighter or just like a body shimmer or something, but it is so pretty. I'd probably use it for all of that because it is so pretty. I love Fenty so much. I love their highlighters, their foundation, the primer, the eyeliner I used today actually. It's all the way. There we go. That will snap. I just need that satisfaction. Super fine shimmer, Hyper Luxe Effects. That's pretty much all it says on the website. Let me see what it says on Sephora.com. It's Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. I don't know if this is Face Body or what. I wanted rosé because I love rose gold. So pretty. I love it. I'm gonna see what it says because I can't remember if it was like what all it said you could do with it. I mean, I guess you can do whatever, but you just want to make sure like it's okay to put on your face. It has very good reviews. It was only $28, so it wasn't too bad. They do come in 3 different shades, 15 reviews, it has 5 stars. It says what it is: a loose all over highlighting powder in 3 shades for all skin tones, available online only. Applies to eyes with the shadow brush, sweep over points of face. So you can use this on your face, dust over body. So this is basically like this is something I'm going to compare to like the Natasha Denona All Over Face and Body Glow. You can use this on your face and your body. Dust onto the body with kabuki, sold separately. So like you could do face or body with this. It just kind of depends. It might be a little dark for me unless I'm like really tan, but I thought it'd be really pretty on the body, maybe a little bit as a blush topper. I just thought it was so pretty and I thought that I'd buy it because I love Fenty. Let's get real. All right, so something else that I got is this Milk Makeup gloss. What is it, a gloss? KUSH Lip Glaze. Ooh, high shine, non-sticky, hydrating lip gloss infused with hemp-derived cannabis oil. It's so funny how a lot of their stuff is like that. It has avocado oil, peppermint oil, mango seed butter, cocoa butter. All the ingredients sound really nice. Chronic. It's in the shade Chronic. Hasn't been used. Okay, we're in the clear, guys, with the Sephora haul. Green, which I thought was a little strange. I don't know why I got this, to be honest. I don't know why. And then this is what it looks like, and there's the Fenty, if you didn't get a good look at it. It smells really good. It's like a pepperminty, fruity kind of smell. Oh yeah, like that. I can't wait to put that on. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I love it so much. I also did get a little freebie from Giorgio Armani. I saw this and I was like, I need you. I think it was a reward. It is a lipstick in the shade 102 Rouge d'Armani Matte. Hopefully that's right. I don't know. It's this little tube, which I normally don't like the little guys, but ooh, that color is so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I just bent it. Oh, I bent the lipstick. Put a little bit on. Oh yeah. And then I got a Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. I think this was a reward that I got. And then I picked out a couple of samples. I got the Sunday Riley Eye Contour Cream, and then I got the Amore Pacific Essential Cream Fluid. I've heard such amazing things about their skincare lately, so I really kind of want to start using their skincare, even though it is pricey. And then I also got a perfume that smells really bad. And I'm not sure if it's with this order or with a different order. I don't remember. Okay, so I told you guys that was a mini haul, and I wasn't lying because I'm done already. I was like, oh snap, but it's probably gonna be like 20 minutes of footage still. That's okay. So that pretty much wraps up the haul. That's it. I'm going to be picking the winner of the giveaway for the detox mask sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for everyone who has entered. Thank you. I love your comments. Yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm thinking about doing an apartment tour. I got some wall art up, so I thought it'd be a good time to do that. Maybe doing an empties video. Let me know if you guys want to see an empties video. I don't think I've ever done one. If I have, it's been like one time, and I'm just like debating. I've held on to a bunch of empties. I'm like, do I do this video or not? So yeah, I'm thinking about doing a day to night makeup look. So just a lot of things kind of on my mind. Let me know what y'all think down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye. Gotta set the mood straight. Tell me when you're coming home. I know I can lie and say I like it like I like it like that. Okay, that's cute.